7 foods you should eat to help prevent prostate cancer. Prostate cancer affects men more than any other kind of cancer. Almost 15% of men in the US suffer from it, a disproportionate number that could be significantly reduced. Some of the symptoms that accompany prostate cancer include loss of bladder control, blood present in urine, and a burning sensation during urination. Studies showed that a diet high in saturated fats, as well as being overweight, increased the risk of prostate cancer. In fact, more and more doctors are learning that a definite link exists between the foods we eat and the risk of cancer. These foods can be beneficial to anyone with a high risk of cancer. 1. Fresh fish. Certain species of fish that contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent prostate cancer. Those include big game fish like halibut and mackerel, as well as sardines and the highly popular salmon. Remember that you need fresh fish and not farm-raised fish. 2. Greens. Green leafy vegetables like arugula, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and collard greens are all high in nutrients and minerals. These cruciferous vegetables have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiviral properties, keeping us healthy on several fronts. Eating more of these greens lowers the risk for prostate cancer. 3. Tomatoes. Because tomatoes contain lycopene, a cancer-fighting pigment found in certain plants, they are a welcome addition to any diet. But, when absorbed along with small amounts of non-saturated fats, tomatoes are believed to be even more beneficial to our bodies. 4. Coffee. 3 cups of coffee per day may be enough to slice a man's prostate cancer risk in half. According to one study in Europe, it's rich in antioxidants and a natural diuretic which helps keep the urinary tract in good shape. 5. Nuts. Walnuts, like the previously mentioned fish, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Brazil nuts boost failing selenium levels in aging men. Low levels of selenium has been linked to a higher prostate cancer risk in older men. Both of these nuts help fight prostate cancer in their own way and are recommended as a healthy preventative measure for men who are growing older. 6. Pomegranates. Like anything rich in antioxidants, pomegranates are good soldiers in the fight against cancer. They've been known to prevent cancer cells from migrating and may selectively inhibit the growth not only of prostate cancer, but also breast cancer, colon and lung cancers as well. This powerful fruit is often ignored in Western medicine, but researchers are now learning more about its benefits. 7. Orange vegetables. Carrots and pumpkins contain high amounts of beta-carotene that's not only good for eyesight, it's also good for the prostate because of its antioxidant properties. These antioxidants protect the body against free radicals. Pumpkins are also a great source of fiber, and a diet rich in fiber reduces the risk of several types of cancer. Not only are these orange vegetables high in fiber, but they're also low in calories. Eating these foods can cut down on the risk of prostate cancer, but they can also have a positive effect on both a man's waistline and his overall quality of life. It's also important to note the presence of regular exercise reduces not only the risk, but also the degree of prostate cancer. Eat well and live well.